Today on Jones Knows, we'll be finishing a cutting board made from butcher block. My son Day Hunter will be performing all the work, and we will be using walnut butcher block. We'll be sanding it with our Festool sander using 120 and 220 grit sandpaper, and we're going to finish it with butcher block mineral oil. This technique applies to butcher block countertops and cutting boards. It's pretty simple. As long as you follow all the steps and use the right products, it'll come out successful.